X-47B UCAS-D 2025, the most advanced iteration of Northrop Grumman's carrier-capable unmanned combat aircraft demonstrator. The X-47B is a sleek, tailless blended wing-body aircraft roughly 38 feet long with a 62 feet wingspan, 9 feet when folded. It reflects a cranked kite configuration that balances internal volume, low-speed handling, and radar stealth. Built from composite materials and featuring serrated edges, the aircraft is optimized for all-aspect broadband stealth, making it harder to detect than even the F-22 or F-35. Hammer and wrench airframe, structure and materials. Designed for harsh maritime conditions, the X-47B uses saltwater-resistant composites, robust landing gear, and reinforced structural elements for catapult launches and arrested landings. Hydraulic systems integrated into the wing and control surfaces endure high deck stresses, with over-engineered assemblies to ensure reliability during carrier operations. Airplane propulsion, performance and flight envelope. Powered by a Pratt & Whitney F100PW220U turbofan, a non-afterburning derivative of the F-16F-15 engine, X-47B achieves high subsonic speeds Mach 0.9 with a combat radius over 2,100 nanometers and operational ceiling around 40,000 feet. The absence of afterburner enhances fuel efficiency while preserving a high-performance profile. Robot face autonomy and carrier ops. As a semi-autonomous system, X-47B executes pre-programmed missions but allows mission operators to monitor and intervene. It demonstrates robust autonomy capable of catapult launches, precision carrier landings, at-sea recoveries, and aerial refueling, all without pilot input. The 2013 deck integration milestones and 2015 first-of-its-kind unmanned refueling firmly established its operational maturity. Direct hit payload and mission flexibility. With two internal weapon bays capable of housing up to 4,500 pounds of ordnance, the X-47B supports ISR, precision strike, and EU missions. Modular sensor packages include EOIR, SAR, GMTI, and ESMMMTI, enabling real-time targeting and battlefield awareness. Toolbox program success and legacy. Though never intended for production, the UCAS-D program cost around $813 million and yielded 2 prototype vehicles. It achieved major milestones including autonomous carrier operations and refueling, earning the Collier Trophy in 2014. The program concluded in 2015, with lessons guiding successors such as the MQ-25 Stingray aerial tanker. Gear strengths. Stealth, truly low observable design across multiple frequencies. Autonomy, full cycle operations, launch, mission, landing, refuel achieved successfully. Payload and capabilities, supports weapons, sensors, and ISR in one platform. Maritime robustness, structurally sound and reliable in intense carrier environments. Warning limitations. No afterburner, limiting supersonic capability. Experimental only, high cost and focus on tech demonstration prevented mass deployment. Designation X-47BX equals experimental confirms no production intent. Alternate directions, the Navy shifted investment to MQ-25 as a tanker rather than pursue a strike UCAV, citing fuel delivery limitations and carrier resource constraints. Crystal Ball 2025 perspective. Although the original X-47B program ended in 2015, its legacy endures. Continued refinement may be reflected in 2025 model references, but the platform itself remains a technological milestone proving key capabilities rather than entering service. X-47B laid essential groundwork for unmanned carrier aviation, ISR strike integration, autonomous logistics like refueling, and operations in contested environments. Direct hit conclusion. The X-47B UCAS-D remains a landmark in UAV development. It succeeded in all key objectives: autonomous carrier operations, aerial refueling, stealth, and modular mission loads. While never intended for full-scale service, it informed crucial tactical and design principles underlying today's carrier-based unmanned systems. As of 2025, it stands as a testament to the possibilities of autonomous aerial warfare and a blueprint for future operational drones.